So, hey guys, so welcome to your Wellness Link informational party. My name is Joanna Sheldon. And for those who do not know me, I'm a nurse practitioner. I have been a nurse practitioner since 2019, and I became a registered nurse since 2011. Since becoming a nurse and now a nurse practitioner, I have worked in the hospital setting, in the urgent care setting, and in the primary care setting. I have experienced many different walks of life through my patient experiences and noticed that there was always a gap in the care. If it was either because of no insurance, because of wait times, or lack of transportation to the appointments. So I decided to create your wellness link, where the goal is not to replace your primary care physician, but to fill in the gap of care from beginning of illness to treatment. So I would like to thank everybody for being here today. Just know this is a very quick 10-minute presentation, and we're going to have some options for questions after the presentation, just to let you know a little bit more about the company. And hopefully this can help you or others reach the care that they need. So here we go. So who we are. What do we stand for and what is your wellness link? We are a 100% based in Florida. We're a virtual healthcare company that is nurse practitioner led. I decided to begin in Florida because this is where I was raised since I was 9 years old, and I feel that it has built me into who I am today. I know we can all agree that the community you experience, especially in Miami, is very unique and you don't experience anywhere else. Let me just accept some people to the meeting. Okay. And well, based on my previous years of experience, the goal for my company is to offer personalized, accessible care. So, who do we serve? We serve any adults over the age of 18 needing quick, compassionate care, cash-based care, including self-employed patients who would like to create that personal interaction with their provider. Because in comparison to using other telemedicine services that are more commercialized, you will not get different providers taking care of your health. With your wellness link, it will always be the same person, in this case, myself. We do cater to 1099 contract patients, self-employed professionals, gig workers, entrepreneurs, and fast-paced professionals. However, this company is also meant for anyone who needs quick, compassionate, and accessible care. So here you could see a list of all the services that we provide. As you can see, it's pretty broad. These were curated based on my years of experience working at different urgent cares and primary cares. However, if there's any additional symptoms or illnesses you may experience, we are willing to look over them. And after you make the appointment, we can discuss to see how we can help you. If it's not the right fit or if it's a symptom that is too acute, we would immediately let you know and cancel the appointment without taking payment. There's actually three service categories that we provide, which is the sick clinic, medication refills, and your wellness concierge club, which we'll talk about in the next slide. So I'll give you guys a chance to look over the services and ask any questions. Okay, we're gonna go on the next slide. So your Wellness Link Concierge Club was created to fill in a wellness necessity for patients needing monthly care in addition to their primary care, while waiting for an appointment or while waiting to establish care with their PCP. This is pretty much a care bundle, which includes 2 visits for the sick clinic and or medication refills, daily availability for secure priority messaging for questions, and brief consultations with a 12-hour or less turnaround time, as well as free follow-up in 4 to 6 weeks of treatment via our secure portal. And here you can see the comparison of the initial visit, the follow-up visit, and the Wellness Link Concierge Club. So these are all beneficial depending on your need. Initial visits include care for any new symptoms, the ones mentioned in the sick clinic, or medication refill for $69.99. Follow-up visits include one follow-up visit for just $59.99 for ongoing treatment of the same diagnosis of your initial visit. So you can see if you become part of the concierge club, you will be saving money by paying the $109.99 a month, which would cover 2 visits plus daily priority messaging plus a free follow-up in 4 to 6 weeks, all done by me. I will give you guys a chance to screenshot this page or take a picture if you would like to with your phone. And any questions you may have. Just accept some people in the waiting room. We're going to go to the next slide. So why choose us? So we do not have long waits, and you can literally text me, message me, or email me to schedule your appointment on our secure patient portal. If you do not see an open slot, we can definitely accommodate you for the same day or in the following 12 to 24 hours. You also have access to secure HIPAA compliant messaging, knowing that I will be the one responding to you and therefore creating a more personalized and elevated experience. We use a portal called Advanced MD, which is HIPAA compliant and has been around for a long time. And so this is how it works. Like I mentioned in the previous slide, you could definitely reach out to me through email, phone number, or through the portal for a visit, and we will gladly help you to book your appointment. You could go through yourwellnesslink.com and then book your appointment through there, and then meet with me. So let's say if you're part of your Wellness Link Concierge program, you will receive responses to your messages with a 12-hour turnaround time, plus the other perks that I mentioned. Okay, so this is pretty much the last slide. As promised, I think we're within the 10 minutes. This is the QR code which you could scan as needed to access the website. I just want to say thank you so much for your time, for your support. You could screenshot the information in the bottom, which is how you could connect with me through either text, email, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. I'm here to help you and forever grateful for your support. Now we're open for questions.